recording.
No way.
Yeah, totally way.
Cool.
All right, so I just want to find out if the quick connect is. You can. I don't. It's just focus on this. So, yeah, you can zoom. You don't have to zoom. You just. Okay, so we're gonna see how long it takes to go from slow down the buffer. Actually, we don't care. I just want to see if it's quicker. So, pop it off. Pop it on. Ready to go. Now, if I have a screw on. So, a couple seconds. Is it worth the 36 bucks? I don't know. What do you think? You use it too?
No.
Okay. Well, there we go. Thanks.
I don't know why I said no.
Okay, so we're just gonna see what's faster, the quick connect. Ready to go? Or is it worth the 36 bucks for the quick connect adapter?
Hell yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. It saves you a couple seconds per boat, so over the course of like a year, you've saved up like 10, 15 minutes.
Freaking yeah.
Time is money. All right, cool.